Hi, this is Tad with Island. Today I'm joined by Elad, who is one of our SEs based in Tel Aviv, Israel. And Elad, you've been working with a B2C platform with customers all around the world, and you've been solving some interesting challenges with the Help Center. Can you tell me more?
Yeah, of course. Hi, Ted. Thank you for having me. So we had a B2C customer, a big one that has a very big challenge with his all over his help centers all around the globe. So the big challenge is that his help centers are giving support to all his business users and customers. Now you want to secure them to work in a secure way and of course in a fast way with those users and customers. So we provide him the platform and we provide him the enterprise browser to do that. And by doing that, he basically has all the layer of security helping him to audit and monitor everything he needs, and of course provide the help centers do only what they need. For example, if they want to communicate or browse to a business application, they did it only for those business applications, and they will not browse other way in the internet. Now, if we are talking about an on-prem applications, we provide them in the Island private access with a zero trust access inside his organization, so the help centers can work directly to those applications. By doing that, we reduce the amount of time that the help centers help users and customers. So the customer in the end had a big benefit and added value of one, support, technical support, commercial support, and everything that the help centers do for the users and customers. And the second is monitoring and auditing everything they do.
And before they started using the enterprise browser, what kind of technologies did they have in place to achieve similar outcomes?
So, before the enterprise browser, they used the regular browser. They can browse anywhere they wanted. No one was auditing them. No one was monitoring anything they did. They can get into any site. If they wanted to get to an internal application, they need to use VPN and they need to use another third-party application to do so. And it was very time-consuming actually to do all of those things. And when help centers helps users, the time is what matters.
And we've heard a similar story from other customers that just that ability of providing the help center staff with a browser that's running locally. We're not doing virtualization here. We're not trying to backhaul all the traffic back to some centralized location. So that raw performance should be significantly better than other paths as well.
Exactly. The performance was perfect for them.
Very cool. And you mentioned that kind of audit and visibility. I think that's an important capability to mention, that because we're running the enterprise browser from Island, we've added that intelligence actually inside the browser. So it's not just the destination of which sites am I visiting? Am I visiting Salesforce.com? Am I visiting workday.com? But we can actually get that intelligence of what's happening during that session. Where is a user clicking? What pages are they on? I think that's one of those things you have to see it to believe it. But once you see it, it's really a game changer.
Exactly. And when the customers saw it and what audit level we provide, it was amazed, because we are getting inside the keystrokes. You can see the keystrokes. You can see where the user clicked, where his help centers, what he does. And of course, you can see all the timeline. We are calling it a user timeline. So in the end, you can see exactly what it was. And for help centers, in the end, as we say, it's a time consuming. He wanted to know exactly what they did in the time that they had. So it was very cool to see it.
Well, thanks so much for sharing that story, and we'll have you back again here soon.
Sure, no problem. Thank you, Ted.